Hello guys! Pupunta kami ngayon sa Better Living. Ano nga ang pangalan?
Only Wings! All Wings Only Wings.
All Wings Only Wings para Only Wings. Sige, nandito kami ngayon sa Annex 41 at kami ay naglalakad lang. So, bye muna!
So we're here at All Wings. So we're going to enjoy the Only Wings. We're going to wait maybe 10 minutes before we start eating. So come on, let's eat it. You can join us if you want to. You can try it here.
Gravy flavor.
At the back of video better to
ay Only Wings. So, order ulit kami mamaya. Sa ano to? Likod ng?
At the back of video.
Back of video at Better Living. Yeah. So, kain muna kami. Bye!
So, we're here. This is the third batch. But as you can see, it is not yet done for the second batch, and I'm done. I didn't eat my rice, that's why. So I ate a lot of chicken wings tonight. As you can see, it's almost full. I think this is all mine. So we're having fun eating wings here.
Ayan.
If you wanna try it, you can visit here at All Wings, at Better Living at the back of video if you want. So hope we'll see kung makakailang batch kami ng Only Wings. So we're going to try all the flavors. So they have gravy, garlic oily, teriyaki, smoked barbecue, honey mustard, spicy mango, sweet and spicy, honey sriracha, Caribbean, and buffalo. So you wanna try it? Here's their menu, and then also they have an Andy ice creams for 79 pesos if you want. So you can try, after you're having fun with Only Wings and rice, you can have your Only dessert ice cream. So that's it. See you later. So here is the last order for the night sa Buffalo Wings.
Grabe, sinipon na ako. Saka sobrang anghang. Naluluha na ako.
So according to her, it's super spicy. I didn't try it yet, but I will try at least one. So good luck to her for her another 2 pieces of wings. So as you can see her face reaction. See, super spicy, and I'm so full. I don't know where I'm going to put the last Buffalo Wings, the last order. And then after this, we have a dessert ice cream, 2 scoops of ice cream to ease the spices. As you can see, I'm scared to try because of I have only small amount of Nestle. So here, as you can see, it's color red.
Super spicy.
Super spicy. So good luck.
Magbabayas.
And this one, is the bucket of
Bones.
chicken bones.
Leftover. Ay, mga ano lang.
Yeah. So, see you again later. Push.